Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a mat or a wall hanging. You can use it as either of them. And so let's see. It's a very beautiful wall hanging, and let's see how it looks and how to make it. So the things that you need to make this wall hanging are, you need to cut a circle which is 25 centimeters in diameter. What I have done, I have cut two because I wanted the same color behind also, and this is cut with a thin cardboard. I have used a thin cardboard to cut it, and I have stuck the same cardboard both sides and covered it with chart paper. So this is 25 centimeters. After this you need some jute, and the jute rope I have used is very thin, and I have made, this is the way I have done, I have plaited it. I have used 3 and made a plait. After this, what else you need? You need to put some tassels. I have made 14 tassels in this color and 14 tassels in orange color. So this is all you need. So let's begin. Let's see how to make it. So after cutting your circle, we are going to take this jute which we have already plaited, and we are going to start sticking this in the center. So we are going to just start sticking it like this. Just keep on moving, put Fevicol and stick it till it reaches the end. After completing the circle with the jute rope, this is what it looks like. Now, after completing this, we have to start making tassels. I have used, like I told you, I have used 2 colored wool. One is this and one is orange. This is the colors I like. You can use any color. If you want to use the same color also, you can use. So, how to make tassels? Now, what I have done is, I have taken a square, you can take anything, just a wooden piece so that it doesn't bend, and I am going to take 20 rounds of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I've ended it at the same place. Now I'm going to bring it out. Hold it. Now I'm going to tie it from the top. Just tie it so that it doesn't open. Alright. After tying it, I'm going to cut it from down. So this is what it looks like now, but this is my incomplete shape. So you can see this is the shape I want, so I have to again tie it from the center. So I'll just hold it at some distance and tie it. I'm just tying it from here. Double knot so that it does not open, and just cut it. Now whatever the edges you feel are uneven, you can just cut them off. And my tassel is ready to use. Now I'm going to place them on this. I have made, like I told you, use Fevicol and just keep it like this. So I'm going to use my 14 of cream and 14 of orange shade, and I'm going to complete this using Fevicol. We have to put Fevicol behind. Let me just show you one. So I'm putting my Fevicol and I'm going to stick it behind. See, you can see it is stuck. So let's do the same thing for all of them. As you can see, I have put all the tassels, I have attached all of them, and this is what my complete mat looks like. See how beautiful it is? You can keep it anywhere you want, in your living room, in your dining room, wherever you want to decorate. Now this mat can, as I told you, it can be also used as a wall hanging. So this is a piece of that same jute rope. So if you want to hang it, you have to just attach this behind. Just stick it wherever you want. You can just stick it like that, make a space for it, and you can attach it, you can hang it on the wall. I wanted to use it as a mat, so I'm going to keep it as a mat. You can attach it using this. So friends, if you have liked my mat which I've made with wool and jute, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.